Good afternoon, my dear friends. Now we will learn lesson number 3, number series, exercise number 3.4. In this exercise, they ask us a question like find out the wrong term in the given series. In question number 1, they give us some series and options. If we observe this series, we get notice that each and every time we subtract 6. That is 73 minus 6, we get 67. 67 minus 6, we get 61. But in the question, it is given 62. So that our wrong term is 62. It should be 61. So that 62 comes in the option number 3. And you can check the rest of the numbers for minus 6 formula is applicable or not. So that option number 3 is our answer. In question number 2, if we observe the series, it is a prime number series in decreasing order, in descending order. That is 89, 79, and before 79, the 69 is a composite number. So, it is a wrong term. All others are prime numbers. Right? So, our wrong term is 69, which comes on the option number 2. In this question, they give us some series. We find out what is the relationship between them and find out the wrong term. Here 21 plus 2, 23, 23 plus 6, 29, 29 plus 18, what we should get? 47, but they give us 48. And now, how these 2, 6 and 18 comes? These 2 comes from this number, 2 ones are 2. This 6 comes from these 2 numbers, 2 3s are 6. This 18 comes from these 2 numbers, 9 2s are 18. Here, it should be 47, but they give us 48. So that our round term is 48. That is comes on the option number 2. If we add 28, how 28? That is here is a 47 and 4 sevens are 28. Means if we add 47 plus 28, then 47 plus 28, then we get 75. So that our wrong term is 48, which comes on the option number 2. In this question, if we observe the series, we find out that 14 plus 4, 18. How this 4 comes? 1, 4 is 4. 18 plus 8. How this 8 comes? 8 ones are 8. And 18 plus 8, 26. 26 plus 12, 38. And how this 12 comes? 6 2s are 12. Now, 8 3s are 24. 38 plus 24, it comes 62. And how 62 plus 12, what we get? 62 plus 12, we get 74. But they give us 76. And if we observe the next, 74 plus 28, we get 102. So that 76 is the wrong term, which comes in the option number 3. In this question, if we observe this series, this 11 comes 3 square plus 2, 27 5 square plus 2, 51 7 square plus 2, 83 9 square plus 2, 102, 11 square plus 2, and 171, 13 square plus 2. But here 11 square is 121 and 121 plus 2 is 123, and they gave us here 102. So that wrong term is 102, which comes on option number 4. So that option number 4 is our answer. In this series, if we observe, each and every time we omit one prime number, that is 13. In this series, if we observe, that is every time one alternate number we omit. That is, after 11, 13 should be omitted, then 17, after 17, 19 omitted, then 23, after 23, 29 omitted, then 31, and after 31, if we omitted 37, it should be 41, but they give us 37 in the question. So that our wrong term will be 37, which comes on option number 2. If we observe this series, 3 3s are 9 minus 1, 4 4s are 16 minus 1, then 5 5s are 25 minus 1. Here 6 6 are 36 minus 1, it should be 35, but they give us 37. So that our wrong term is 37, which comes on the option number 3. If we observe this series, we find out that 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 6, 14, 14 plus 9, 24, 24 plus 12, it should be 36. But they give, so that if we observe it here, if we observe 14 plus 9, it should be 24 is a wrong term. 14 plus 9, it should be 23, but they give us 24. And if we add 12 to 23, so that we get 35. So that, and how much this comes? How much this 6 comes? 3 2s are 6. Then 3 3s are 9. Then 3 4s are 12. Means it is comes in the table of 3. So here 14 plus 9, it should be 23, but they give us 24. So that wrong term is 24. That is comes on the option number 3. If we observe this series, the numerator will be increasing by plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, but in the first fraction 5 plus 1, 6 numerator comes, and denominator decreasing by 2 each and every time. So that our odd term is 5 upon 12, which comes on option number 1. In this series, if we observe 100 place, 10 place, and unit place. In 100 place, the numbers are increasing by odd numbers. That is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Middle number are the, that is 10 place number are the 4 same. And unit place numbers are decreasing, that is 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. But instead of 4, here they give us 6. So that 746 is a wrong term which comes in the option number C. So now, my dear friend, your homework is you will have to solve the questions from 6 to 20 from exercise number 3.2, 3.4. So that, my dear friends, let us meet tomorrow. Thank you very much.